For years, we've watched robots pull off incredible demos, but there's always been one big catch. They usually work in one carefully prepared room, with one specific setup after tons of training. Move the robot somewhere new, everything falls apart. But what if that's finally starting to change? A robotics company called Sunday has just unveiled ACT-2, and the numbers they're released are turning heads across the industry. According to their tests, this robot successfully folded laundry 99.1% of the time, in homes it had never seen before. That sounds almost too good to be true. So, what's actually different here? The biggest surprise isn't that the robot folds clothes, it's how it learns. The team says ACT-2 can pick up a completely new folding style from just a single demonstration. Not hundreds, not thousands. One. Then it takes what it learned and applies it in completely different homes with different beds, lighting, clothing, and room layouts. That's a huge shift. Think about how humans learn. Someone shows you a new way to fold a shirt once, and you can usually repeat it somewhere else. That's exactly the kind of flexibility robotics has struggled with for decades. Sunday says the secret is combining massive pre-training with very small targeted improvements afterward. Instead of collecting endless new data every time the robot makes a mistake, they can teach it with just a few examples, and those improvements carry over to environments it's never experienced before. To prove it, they ran 785 autonomous laundry folding attempts across 9 different clothing categories: t-shirts, pants, leggings, blouses, shorts, even oversized clothing. The same robot handled different room layouts, different starting positions, different bed colors, and piles of wrinkled laundry without retraining for each home. Even more interesting, the robot wasn't just following a fixed routine. If clothes slipped onto the floor, it picked them back up. If someone disturbed the garment, it adjusted. If conditions changed, it kept going. Those kinds of recoveries are exactly what real homes demand. Sunday is also introducing something they call a solve. Instead of showing a flashy demo, they want robots to be judged by 3 simple questions. How well does it perform? How many different situations can it handle? And how much extra training does it need before it works in your house? It's actually a pretty practical way to measure progress. Now, does this mean home robots are suddenly ready to replace us? Not quite. A CT2 is still focused on laundry, and plenty of household tasks remain incredibly difficult. But if these results hold up outside company testing, this could mark one of the biggest milestones we've seen in consumer robotics. For the first time, we're not just talking about robots that can do something, we're talking about robots that might finally do it reliably. And honestly, that could be the breakthrough that brings home robotics into everyday life. Would you trust a robot to fold all your laundry? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because the next generation of home robots is arriving much faster than most people expected.